Yeah, this is non-scripted, full live action. Hey, welcome back to another episode of the Switch Suspension TV show. On this episode, we are featuring the 1958 Chevy Impala that we finished up. Me and my son Dylan take it for a cruise, put some miles on it, do a little photo shoot down in Guadalupe, bring it back, and then now we've got it over at the stereo shop. We're also doing some repair work on a 64 Pontiac Bonneville. Older build, it's got a nice ride tech, one of their early auto leveling systems on it. Pressure-based system. Just was a little grumpy, as he called it. So what was really going on is the compressor just couldn't keep up. So we fixed that for him, got him down the road. Also spent some time on the 55 chassis, 55 Chevy truck. God damn it, what am I trying to say? The goddamn chopping block chassis. Hey, yeah, we also spent some time on the 55 chopping block chassis. Start teardown on that, start figuring out where everything's gonna go, what's gonna get chrome plated, what's gonna get powder coated, what's gonna get painted. Make all those tough decisions, get that out the door as well. Good job being perfect, Marco. Keep up the good work. Nothing going on here. We got a great know about it too. We're gonna feature our square tank brand. So this is a tank, this is an air tank used for air suspension that we assemble in-house, all sourced by American-made manufacturing. So it's a really cool tank. You'll have to check out the know about it, get to know it. Yeah, hey guys, hope you enjoy the episode. Thank you for watching. Get after it. See you 10. Damn, son. Yeah, bitchin'. Hey, thank you for tuning in. Enjoy this episode. That's it.
Thanks. That's a nice ass ride, dog. Straight up. Oh shit. Nice, dog. Did a very good job, bro.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another segment of Know About It. Today we're going to be talking about our square tanks. These are going to be a fresh design out, something a little bit different than just a standard round tank with the square billet aluminum end caps and billet aluminum connecting rods. These do come in multiple different sizes and color combos. This here is a 5-gallon square tank. The tubes come in different options of raw, gray, and black. Any of the raw setups, you're gonna wanna have some kind of UV protectant on them. It is a composite that makes these up, so you're gonna want some UV protectant on it, whether it's wrapping it, painting it, ceramic coating it, Cerakote. These are also available in a 3-gallon version, to be a little bit smaller, same end caps, shorter connecting rod, shorter tube in there. Those are all available as well in the gray and black. We also offer them in polished end caps and polished rods, as well as just the raw billet aluminum. All of our parts for these are manufactured in the good old US of A. Gray, black, polished, raw, connecting rods. These do have multiple ports for different options on how you want to run your system. You are going to have 3 3/8 and 1/4 inch port per side on all of our tanks. We do send the required plugs if you're not using those, along with the O-rings and the lubricant and anti-seize with it, as well as the mounts for the bottom mounting surfaces. Oh wait, I fucked this all up. These are 8 too. So you got 1, 2. Dude, I haven't built one of these in so long. Yeah, fuck. I fucked that one up. You do have multiple options on how you want to plumb this tank. There are 3 3/8 ports and 1 1/8 inch port on each end cap, as well as an 1/8 inch port underneath your mounting holes on each end. Our square tanks are gonna come with the mounting hardware as well. I've seen guys mount these things straight up and down, you know, on an angle like this, make a diamond shape. The guys have gotten real creative with different designs for the tubes as well. Custom paint, wraps, all of the above. If you order one of these in one of our Cerakoted colors, we do fully assemble it and get it torqued all down for you. If you order a raw one that requires UV protectant, we ship it loosely assembled without the O-rings in the end. It does come with all your build sheet information, what you need to torque it to, and how it needs to be assembled. If you want to check it out on squaretank.com, you can configure your tank in all different sorts of colors and the sizes. See the differences in a lot of those options. These do have these square end caps that have a little O-ring in there that actually sandwiches together when you're assembling these. You always want to be careful not to nick those. It's always recommended if you do end up pulling this thing apart with the O-rings in it, you're going to want to replace those. Those replacement parts are all available also on squaretank.com. It really interacts with you as you can spin it around to get a full 3D effect of what you're looking at. All made and manufactured in the good old US of America.
So this will go to both of the 2.5 little intake pieces. These are the 2 3-inch pieces that'll come from the water to air intercoolers, and they're going to turn straight up into the intake manifold where the throttle bodies are now.
I'm marking the items that I think should be chromed. This is getting taken apart now to get powder coated and chromed. And, well, we're gonna do chrome and powder coat. So right now I'm just kind of making what I think I would chrome. And then we get with the guys and Seth, see if everyone agrees. Yes, I'd like to chrome the rear end. It's a really impressive piece to have chrome. We're going to be doing the frame in this color right here. We're going to be powder coating the frame in this gray color right here. So right now we're just, we're kind of deciding what's going to be chrome, what's going to be powder coat, going to come apart, and start happening. The truck's already being painted. It's over there at the body shop, so this is the next stage. So today I got this 1964 Bonneville in, and the complaint is that the air system is grumpy, as I've been told. It has a older ride tech system, so it is an auto level type system, but it's it's not one of the common ones that everybody's using now. Just kind of see what is working, what's not working, and hopefully come to a conclusion for them to tell them what they're going to need. The thing is, this is older technology, so it's not that it's bad technology. It's older, so the pressure only. Yeah, it looks like it's pressure based, but yeah. So that's, I mean, when a lot of these cars that they come in, they're not. It's not that the equipment in them is bad equipment. It's that there's newer stuff now. There's nicer stuff. There's stuff that works it's a little bit more user friendly. So,
Look at this. The ships. Those are money right there, boy. Pretty cool. These are the chips for the get down. So like I want to do, I made 100. These are the top truck stuff. So for like a car like this, you have a friend of yours or whatever, what we want to do is I gave all these to like a bunch of my friends, people in the industry, guys like Seth, and then I want them to pick some cars, just not me, on trucks, on what they like too. So the chips kind of represents a little bit of flavor for everybody. Do a little favor. It's always who you know, and you want to get your truck in there. I want people to be able to enjoy it, and it doesn't have to be something I like all the time. It could be anything anybody likes, even the Camel Brothers. I mean, all this is so nice. This is like craftsmanship. If I had this car, I'd never have the trunk open. I would take the trunk off. might get a chip because he's just a cool motherfucker, but yeah. It goes with his green. There's a few coming in. Fat Fender's bringing some Fords. And you know, I wish I had more space for the Ford guys. I mean, honestly, next year, I liked that last year. I had a lot of fun with that. So I definitely want to extend it this year. I just didn't get the space. And that's the only reason why, but we'll see what else going on there now. Now I got some money. I wonder if it's a payment bill.
Oh yeah, dude.
I'm like it's hot.
You just been blinged out. That'll pay my bill. No?
Bitches don't got a lot of monetary
Are you sure?
value, bro.
I'm telling you.
I mean, they got a lot of cool points.
That's what he
bro,
wants
but
them.
Be careful, Chev's loves to bite these days.
Oh, it's okay. I don't care. I'll bite back. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are those kind of dogs that are so cute. They poop on the rug. You go, oh, that's cute. See? I'm like the Ace Ventura. Oh, I gave him the pieces for the doors. The truck looks great out there, towering over your Ford truck, by the way.
Please, dude.
Yeah, dude, I actually step out and get step right on the roof of your Ford. It's so weird.
Oh. Well, it is actually very cleanly installed. Nice work done to it, so at least it's not hacked up. We do see a lot of them that come in that are a mess when we open up the air system. So it's nice to see a nice clean install. I think pretty much what we're going to need to do is just update it, make it a little bit more friendly for the owner. Yeah, I think probably what the complaint is, it's very slow because of the single small compressor. So get it to go to a preset it's a long process. I mean, I've been sitting here for a few minutes now waiting for it to catch up enough to move itself around. So I think that's probably going to be what their main complaint, why they're not happy with it. Yeah, maybe increase compressors because you know it is working. It just takes, you know, no one wants to get in their car and wait 10 minutes to leave somewhere. You want to get in, hit it, and go. Before it gets to its preset, it's timing out on the computer. So just had a complaint about the air system, and basically they were kind of real vague about it, but I think their exact words were it's grumpy. Took the trunk apart, looked at how things were looking around, and running it right now, checking the preset operation, and it is functioning, but with the single compressor, it's very slow. So getting from all the way down on the ground to say your number 3 preset is taking a while. So then to go back up, so that's ride height. To go to your high, and it gets the back up, but then it struggles to get the front because it runs out of air. Nothing wrong with the system per se, but it's a single compressor, small compressor. It's just really working hard to get the job done wherever it needs to be. So, I mean, when it lays out super fast, it looks good, but once you try to come back up, it takes a minute for the compressor to catch up. So the compressor's just been running a really long time, which is characteristic of a single small compressor trying to fill a tank. Air went off. So yeah, if you have to deal with that every time you start your car, you know, I can definitely see it getting a little bit annoying.
So Mike breaks his cars on purpose so he can come hang out with us because he didn't have any friends. So he just wants to come hang out.
Put it this way so that the thing's on the right end. So we gotta go the same spacing from there. And the same spacing on the top, so I don't know if you want to look at the other side again. It's right about a quarter.
Well, okay, Chaka? Is it Chaka? Thanks again. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. If y'all like what you just saw, be sure to like and subscribe. That's www.youtube.com/switch suspension. Be sure to share, tell all your friends, and you have a great day. The end.